My name's Eric Esterbrook. I'm a pharmacist and owner of Esterbrook Pharmacy and West Reading Drugstore. And we've been giving COVID vaccines since early January. We started with our long-term care nursing homes, and we're able to roll it out to the public, phase 1A. And right now we're averaging about 1,500 vaccinations per week. We do some clinics. Like today is a pop-up clinic here at the Olivet Boys and Girls Club. We've done some clinics at the Highlands of Wyomissing. We offer vaccines in the pharmacy, and we've also gone to employers to vaccinate their staff, doctors' offices, dentists, and now that they're opening up to the different phases, we're going to different places like meat processors and other industries to vaccinate their staff. Well, I've had a pretty good career as a pharmacist, 25, 30 years, and this is definitely the highlight of my career as a pharmacist, to be able to offer these vaccines to the public.
I am so honored to be here today. I am a retired nurse. I retired 2 years ago, and it was really a struggle for me to not be able to go into the hospital and help with the other nurses because I'm of age and I have pre-existing conditions. So when this opportunity came along, I really grabbed at it, and I'm so glad I'm doing it. And it's so nice to be around people who are so grateful to have what's offered by this pharmacy. So I'm really enjoying my time doing it. It was so smooth that in the last, I think it's 5 hours I've been here, I did 114 injections. Yes. So it's really been a great experience, and people are really very really invested in getting immunized. They really want to be protected. And it runs the gamut from younger people who are working and have exposure to a lot of children and that kind of thing, to people who haven't seen their grandchildren for a year. So it's nice to be able to help them get to that point.
We partner with the West Reading Drugstore and the Boys and Olivet Girl Club. This is the third vaccination clinic that we actually helped them with. He came to me when we did our first clinic. He came to me and said he had 100 doses of vaccine and he wanted to do it in the city. So he told me to find a spot. So I found a location on Walnut Street, and we did that. The next week he called me again. He said, I got 150. I couldn't find a spot because we need something bigger. So that's when I reached out to Chris. And we did that at the Boys and Girls Clinton Street Olivet Club. And then last week he called me. He said, I got 500. So, Chris called me, I called Chris, we was going back and forth. So we decided to do that one here at Pendora. But, as far as volunteering, that's a part of my life, just giving back.